The for sale sign does an excellent job in telling the world that your house is up for sale. It stands silently out in front of your house and is a beacon to all potential buyers who are looking for a house just like yours. But could you imagine that there are people who don't want a for sale sign in front of their house? They're worried about, what are the neighbors going to think? Or the neighbors are going to ask me questions. Your neighbors are going to know anyway, because once your house goes on the market and it's up for sale, the multiple listing service is going to send it out to all of the third-party real estate signs, Zillow, Realtor.com, Trulia, and all the other great ones out there. And anyone who looks at those sites is going to know that your house is for sale. So your neighbors may not see the sign out in front of your house, but maybe their coworker is going to mention it to them, or a family member. They're going to know that your house is for sale. This is Richelle Ward with your Monday Market Minute, and I look forward to seeing you again next week.